This is the Framework Laptop 12, a colorful, modular, repairable laptop aimed at students, but priced like it's gunning for the pros. So who exactly is this quirky little machine for? Let's find out. The Laptop 12 is Framework's smallest notebook yet, a 12.2-inch touchscreen convertible wrapped entirely in bright ABS plastic. It's lightweight, charming, and instantly stands out from the sea of boring gray rectangles. Underneath that playful exterior is a durable metal frame, swappable expansion card slots, and the same fix-it-yourself spirit that made Framework famous. Framework has refined its modular design. The input cover now uses pogo pins instead of delicate ribbon cables, and components like the SSD and RAM are easier than ever to install or replace. It's genuinely one of the most repair-friendly laptops you can buy today. Inside, you've got your choice of a 13th Gen Intel i3 or i5 chip, up to 48 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, and up to 2 terabytes of SSD storage, with expansion cards adding even more. It's also Framework's first touchscreen, but the 12.2-inch 1920 by 1200 display is glossy, reflective, and maxes out at 400 nits. Decent, but not dazzling. Framework is working on its own stylus, but for now, you'll need to bring your own. And palm rejection? Yeah, not great. Let's talk trade-offs. The 2-megapixel webcam is a big downgrade from the 13-inch model. The speakers are tinny, battery life struggles to crack 4 hours under real use, and fan noise ramps up fast during heavier tasks. Games? Technically playable, but don't expect smooth performance. At $799 for the base model, or $549 DIY, the Laptop 12 costs far more than the average student Chromebook, and not quite enough to satisfy pros needing real power. Yes, it's repairable and modular, built to last longer than most, but that upfront price will scare off budget-conscious buyers. The Framework Laptop 12 is fun, fixable, and full of charm, but between its modest specs and premium pricing, it might be more of a niche sidekick than a classroom hero.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.